If you could recommend to anyone an anti-aging routine, you know, something to use before the signs of aging starts, what would you recommend to them?
Besides sunscreen, because we're in the L'Occitane HQ, I would recommend that they use the Immortelle Precious range. So the first thing you want to do is go in with the cleanser. This is a foam cleanser. It is ideal for people who have combination to oily skin. And then another one that I really love is the toner. So this is the essential water, but it acts as a toner. And then you're going to want to go in with the star of the show, which is the emulsion.
You can get 8% cashback because L'Occitane is a legacy lifestyle partner with 250 partners and more than 1 million members. You can be part of this experience and get 8% cashback to either use on your next purchase or to use at any legacy lifestyle partner. So either use your Salfa number as your membership number, because that's how it works, you don't need a card, or download the app. It's Legacy Lifestyle.